Hey, if you like the idea of health and wealth, you need to take the Live Good tour. Find out how me and thousands of others are making a monthly income with Live Good. Click the link in the description to take the 5-minute Live Good tour right after watching this video. Yo, it's been 4 months since I've been using this 100% unrefined Batana Oil. Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now you heard what I just said. 4 months ago, I got this product that was recommended from my sister when I went to go visit her in Arizona. She was talking about Batana Oil. And I'm like, dude, what the hell is that? Never heard of it. She was like, yo, check it out. Check out the website. I'm going to send you the real official website. This is where you get the real deal of this Batana Oil. So I checked it out and I'm like, interesting. All right. I checked out the reviews on the website, but you know how that go. You can't really trust reviews on the website. So I went to YouTube, right? And I was seeing a lot of people talking about this Batana Oil. So many people was getting all these results. So I'm like, all right, you know what? I'm going to order some and see what happened. All right. So I think I did a 1 month update, a 2 month. I didn't do a 3 month update. So it's been 4 months since I started taking this, and you can see it right here. You can tell I've been using it because the jar all messed up. It's all like, you know, grimy. I don't know, whatever. So just to show you what it looked like, right? And this is what they say it's supposed to look like. You see it's thick. And you see I've been using this. It's not, it's a little less than halfway gone. Now when I got this, I actually got 2 of these. It was like buy one get one free, or buy, I don't know what the hell it is, but I do got 2 jars of this stuff. All right. So far, all right. Now wait, one more thing I want to say. This is probably like my 3rd or 4th hair growth product. Keep in mind, I'm trying to like just thicken my hair up right here. You can see the shit. I'm just trying to just thicken this part up. You know what I'm saying? So this is like my 3rd or 4th product. And I said when I first got this, I said that I was going to be consistent, all right, because I believe like 2 or 3 products that I tried, I wasn't really that consistent. And one product, I was pretty consistent with it, and I think I got a little bit of results with that product. Now, so when I started this, I told YouTube, I said, look, damn it, I'm going to be consistent with this, all right? And I also said in the last video that the website says it could take anywhere from 3 to 6 months to start seeing results using this product. So keeping it all the way real, I've been using this, I would say 5 out of 7 days out the week. I should be using it every day, which I think I need to step up. I plan on using it bare minimum 6 days out the week, but I should be doing 6 or 7 days. But up to this point, only been doing like 5 days. All right. But I'm a step up. So far, honestly, I think it's working a little bit as far as thickening my hair, but I don't think it's working that great where I need it to be thicker, because I think in the back and stuff is making my hair thicker, right? You can see like back here it's a little thicker, but you see it's like thin right there and right there, right? This part. I'm trying to get thicker, all right? Now I'm going to get my hair cut tomorrow. That's why I'm doing this video now. So when I get my hair cut, he don't really mess with the top. He just kind of trim it up a little bit. All right. Cause I told him what I'm trying to do, whatever. And like I said, usually I wear my hair like kind of like a little twist, you know what I'm saying? So this is just like out the shower last night, just combed it, and you see it is what it is with this. All right. So I'm gonna actually show you how I use this, how I've been using it. And if you know, maybe I'm using it wrong. I don't know. But, normally I do this at night. Right now it's like 11:30 in the morning, but I'm doing this for this video. But normally I do this at night before I go to bed. I put like this much on my finger. Can you see it? It's like nasty looking, but kind of thick, right? And all I do is put it right here and just massage it in, right? Now somebody left a comment on one of my videos, and they was like, yo, you should use a massager thing, right? And I actually got one, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't been using it though. But maybe I will try that too. I got a massager. So this is all I do. I ain't gonna lie. Like I be watching Dexter, you know what I mean, on the late night, and I just put this in, I massage it for a few minutes, just like this, right? That's what they say doing a thing. And I usually do my whole head, to be honest with you. Focus on this middle part, you know what I'm saying, and just do that. But look, hold on real quick. Let me see if I still got my, I can't find it. Hold on. Because I had a massager. Oh, here it go. Hold on. Damn, I got bills and everything. I got this right here. I had this for a few years, so let me try this then. Right? I guess this supposed to like work a little better, I guess. I don't know. I don't really mind just using my fingers to rub it in, to be honest with you, but for the sake of this video and for that person that left a comment, you know what I'm saying, I'll use this. Alright. Another thing too, I do think this it does work to a degree. Because I noticed like the very front part of my hair, I noticed like thicker, right? It's just the part that I really wanted. Look, this shit kind of like twisted my hair a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But this is all I do. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing it, like I said, 5 days out the week, right? So I'm gonna keep using it regardless. Like I said, I don't think it's helping that much where it needs to right now, to be honest with you. But I'm gonna keep using it all the way at least till 6 months. I'm not quitting, right? And a matter of fact, like I said, I'm gonna step my game up too, because like I said before I was gonna use it every night, and I only been doing like 5 days. So I am gonna step my game up and see what happens. I'm gonna keep it all the way real with this. Now I said in the previous video, I told my barber about this, and he was like, yo, give it a shot. You know what I'm saying? He heard good things about Batana Oil. But like now when I get my hair cut, man, he like putting the little fibers in. Oh, shit be looking thick as hell. When I leave the barber, I ain't gonna lie, should be looking thick. So either way, I'm gonna be good. But I'm gonna try this. Keep giving updates. You know what I'm saying? I will do a 5-month update, a 6-month update, and I might even try something different if this don't really give me no like decent results. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm just trying to get this shit thicker. I'm you know, why not? All right. But anyway, that's the update. Comment if you got any tips, any suggestions, any other products. Let your boy know. All right. Peace.